Well, good day to you students and welcome to your online instruction. Make sure you get your packets. You can get them at noon on Monday, the 6th of April. You can also call me if you don't get it then, and I may have it there on Wednesday if you can't get it on Monday. So we're on page, we're doing 8.1 multiplying monomials, and that's on page 374. And remember, so if we have, we'll start with number 6, work a few of the guided practice. 5 to the 4th power. 5 to the 4th power is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So you can just put that into your calculator here. And 5, little rooftop raised to the 4th power, and that's equal to 625. And the same way, 7, we'll do one more, 2 to the 3rd power. 2 to the 3rd power is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Let's skip down to 10. So 10, we have here 2 to the 5th times 2 to the 4th. 2 to the 5th times 2 to the 4th. You just add these, that's equal to 2 to the 5 plus 4, which is equal to 2 to the 9th. Alright, so just add them up. And if you need an exact power, you go 2 raised to the 9th power, and that's 512. So just add those exponents. It's pretty easy. If you don't have a number, like number 11, if you just have letters, variables there, you have f to the 5th times f to the 9th. F to the 5th times f to the 9th. Just add the exponents. 5 to plus 9 is 14. F to the 5 plus 9 is equal to f to the 14th power. Let's go to 12. No, let's go to 14. So we have biology. Suppose that a bacteria. So this is kind of interesting in the coronavirus today. Suppose that a bacterial colony doubles in size every half hour. If a colony contains 2,000 bacteria at 10 a.m., how many bacteria will the colony contain at 1 p.m.? We'll just do 1 p.m. So it starts with 2,000, and it's going to double it. So that's going to be times 2. So that's the doubling. And it says every half hour. Well, from 10, so we have 10, 11, 12, 1. That's 3 hours times 2 half hours. That's 2 to the 6th power. 2 to the 6th power. So 2 to the 6th power, 2 raised to the 6th power is what? 64. So 2,000 times 64. 2,000 times 64 is equal to 128,000. You know, just in 3 hours. And now you see why we have to be careful with our coronavirus. And so let's look at 15. 15 we have here. 15 is 8p to the 3rd. 8p to the 3rd. And it is multiplied times 40m to the 7th. 40m to the 7th. And p to the 6th. Now remember, you can only combine like terms. So let's highlight them here. So we have 8 times 40, and that's 320. And then we can do what? P to the 3rd, m to the 7th, right? There's nothing. And then p to the 3rd times p to the 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, so p to the 9. And that's how that one works. And the last one we'll do, 16, says negative 4x to the 3rd. Negative 4x to the 3rd. Z to the 2nd. Z to the 2nd multiplied by negative 6y to the 5th. Negative 6y to the 5th multiplied by negative y to the 3rd, z to the 7th. Y to the 3rd, z to the 7th. And let's look here what we've got. Remember, only combine like terms. So negative 4 times negative 6 times negative, don't forget, negative 1. Negative 4 times negative 6, positive 24 times negative 1 is a negative 24. Then we have what, x? The x is what, x to the third. Don't have any other x's, so it's x to the third. And then we got y. We got y to the fifth times y to the third. 5 plus 3 is 8, y to the 8th. And then z to the second times z to the seventh. 2 plus 7 is 9, z to the 9th. And those are your examples today. So you can do 18 to 25, 34 to 41, and 44 to 49, and 61 to 64. Feel free to call each other. This is not supposed to be hard. We're trying to give you just a few problems, about 15 problems a day. And, oh, the fails! Call your teacher! Call your teacher! Only on the exact hour! Oh, was that really necessary? Oh, I thought it was.